Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who likes to talk a lot. You should say who this person is, how do you know him or her, what he or she likes to talk about, and explain how you feel about this person. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I have encountered different kinds of people in my life, including some who are quite reserved and like to keep to themselves, as well as extroverts who love to share their ideas and opinions with everyone. And today, I would like to speak about my neighbor, Mr. Kapoor, who belongs to the latter category. So, encounter means to come across or to meet. Extroverts are people who are quite outgoing and sociable and who like talking to others. So, latter category in this case would be extroverts, okay? Former is introverts or who are quite reserved. So we have given a little bit of an introduction here where we are just saying that I have met different kinds of people in my life, including introverts, that means people who are shy and reserved, and also extroverts who like to talk to a lot of people. And today I will be talking about my neighbor Mr. Kapoor, who is an extrovert, that means who belongs to the latter category. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I know him from about a decade when he moved into our locality with his wife and kids, and my family members share cordial relationship with them. So decade means a period of 10 years. Cordial means friendly or good relationship. Additionally, he is a life coach and advocates how to develop a clear vision in life in order to achieve one's goals and become successful in future. So advocates means to preach about or to talk about. So instead of repeating the word that was already in the question, we have used a better vocabulary word here. Besides that, he also likes to emphasize about the role of effective planning and organization to identify one's strengths and weaknesses, thereby enhancing productivity and attaining the desired level of performance easily. So emphasize means to focus, enhance means to improve, and attain means to reach. So basically what we are trying to tell you is that he talks about how to plan and organize your day effectively so that you can increase your productivity in a particular day. That means you can get more work done out of that same time. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I feel over the moon when I am conversing with Mr. Kapoor as he inculcates a sense of positivity and confidence in people around him while respecting their individual preferences at the same time. So, we have used an idiom here which is feel over the moon, which means to be very happy. Conversing means to communicate or to talk. Inculcates mean to fill you up with, and preferences means choices. So, what we are trying to tell here is that I feel very happy when I am talking with Mr. Kapoor. Why? Because he fills you up with a sense of positivity as well as takes care of your individual choices at the same time, also. That means he does not put pressure on someone but he respects his or her individual choices. He also inspires and motivates everyone as well as focuses on the objective that the power to change is within ourselves, which I find particularly intriguing. So, intriguing means interesting. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.